Hello students, today we are going to start chapter 19, our national symbols. What is the meaning of word national? National means common to the whole nation. Symbols means a sign, shape or object that is used to represent something. So national means which is common to the whole nation. Symbols are sign, shape or objects that is used to represent something else. So every free nation has its own national symbols. Every independent nation which is free from any external control, nobody is ruling over that country. It is independent nation, democratic nation. They has their own national symbols. They symbolizes the unity of nation. Unity of nation means it represents that all are one. That whole nation is one. Your national flag, national anthem, national song, national emblem, these are our national symbols. As you know, India is also a democratic country. Democratic means we are ruled by the representative chosen by us. Okay, we go for voting, we vote, and we ourselves elect our representatives. So we are living in a free nation, democratic nation. We are free to talk. So that is a free nation. We can give our views upon something. We can give our advice over something. We are living in a free nation. So every free nation, they are having their own national symbols. They symbolizes the unity of nation. Your national flag, national anthem, national song, national emblem, these all are our national symbols. We must respect them. Your national flag. As you can see, national flag, it is having three colors. Okay, three horizontal stripes of equal size. It is actually three horizontal stripes of equal size. And it is tricolor also. Three colors are there. Topmost is your saffron color. Topmost is your saffron color. It stands for sacrifice. Sacrifice means giving up something valuable for the sake of other. For some other person, you are giving up something valuable. That is sacrifice. So your saffron color, it shows the sacrifice. Next, in the middle, there is a white color. It contains a navy blue chakra. This is having 24 spokes. This navy blue chakra, it is having 24 spokes. The white color stands for peace, Shanti. The last stripe is green in color. It stands for prosperity, means India is a prosperous nation. We are economic well-being is there, growth of the country is there. So these are the colors: saffron color, sacrifice; white color, peace. Here navy blue chakra is also there, having 24 spokes. Last stripe, green color. It stands for prosperity. You must know about these three colors. We have to follow certain rules while hosting our national flag. The saffron stripe, it must be at the top. Saffron stripe, it must be at the top while we are hosting the national flag. The national flag can be flown from sunrise to sunset only. Here we are talking about we have to follow certain rules while hosting our national flag. First rule is the saffron stripe. This saffron stripe, it must be at the top while we are hosting the flag. The saffron stripe must be at the top while hosting the flag. The national flag, it can be flown from sunrise to sunset. We can fly our national flag from sunrise to sunset only. When sunset is there, your national flag will be lowered. It is lowered down to the half as soon as the sun sets. We will lower down our national flag. Okay. When the national flag is hoisted or lowered, we must stand at attention position and salute the national flag. Whenever the national flag is being hoisted or it is lowered, we should all stand at attention position and salute our national flag. In any kind of procession means a number of people or vehicles, they are moving in a ceremony. So, in any kind of a procession, the flag must be in the front. A flag must always be in the front. A torn flag should never be hoisted. You can never hoist a torn flag. We should keep the flag very carefully. Okay, our national flag is our national symbol. We should keep it very carefully. Our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. Who wrote our national anthem? Rabindranath Tagore. It is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Remember this thing. Your national anthem is sung at national festivals or any other important occasions. It is sung at national festivals or any other important occasions. It is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Whenever your national anthem is being played, we should all stand at attention position. We should not talk or move. Very important point. Whenever the national anthem is being played and we are singing our national anthem, we should stand at attention position. We should not talk at all or move our hands or anything. We should be still. Attention position. This is our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana. Our national song is Vande Mataram. It was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. This is our national song. It was written by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Remember the name. National emblem. You know, we see our national emblem on coins, currency notes, envelopes, etc. Where you found your national emblem? On coins, currency notes, envelopes, etc. It looks like this. Lines. Our national emblem has taken from Sarnath. Sarnath is a place in Varanasi, okay, near Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. So our national emblem has taken from the Sarnath, lion capital of Ashoka. It was the lion capital of Ashoka. So from there the national emblem has been taken. In the original, actually there are 4 lines. It is 1, 2, 3 and 1 is behind this line. There are 4 lines actually. But in our national emblem, we have adopted only 3 lines because we can see only 3 lines. Only 3 lines can be seen. There is a wheel under the lines. You can see this wheel under the lines. There is a horse on the left side of the wheel. Horse on the left side of the wheel and bull on the right side of the wheel. The word Satyamev Jayate, here it is written Satyamev Jayate. It is written in Devanagari script. Which script? Devanagari is a language. In that script, it is written below the national emblem. This Satyamev Jayate means truth alone triumphs. It means सत्य की हमेशा जीत होती है. The tiger, national animal of India. Peacock, national bird. Lotus, national flower. You must remember these 3 things. National animal of India, tiger. National bird of India, peacock. National flower of India, lotus. These are our national symbols: national flag, national emblem, national animal tiger, national bird peacock, national flower of India lotus. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.